Well, isa sa mga magandang resulta ng dams last week, yung dialogue for ASEAN Maritime Security, is the understanding among ASEAN nations that there is a need for us to come out with our own agreement on our level para when we negotiate with the People's Republic of China, isa position tayo lahat. And I think that is what the President is bringing to KL during the ASEAN Summit. So we hope and pray that the President will be able to get support from the political leadership of the other ASEAN nations towards this approach. Kasi ito yung magandang nangyari dun sa dams last week. We understand that ASEAN will be stronger if we have our position so that when we have this code of conduct negotiations, mas mabilis siyang matatapos. So that is the approach that I think we should take, and we are hopeful that the President will get the support of the other ASEAN nations towards this kind of approach.
Okay, sir. May gusto kayong answer? What of conduct?
Hindi, sagutin ko lang yung tanong ni Gio. Nag-text siya. Anong bago daw yung ipapadala ng postcard? Gio, BRP Vilchota Aquino 9702 and BRP Malapascua 4403.
Questions or comments, sir?
Hi sir, phone-in question din to sir. Kasi di ba po sir, last week, nagkaroon ng reshuffle po in major positions in the government. Na-retain po yung economic cluster, economic. Do we have information kung sa security cluster, ganun din po ba?
Wala pa po kaming informasyon kung ano na yung pagiging tugon ng Pangulo dun sa qualified courtesy resignation that was submitted by, in our case, the National Security Advisor. So siyempre, tumugon ang ating kalihim sa Secretary Eduardo Ano sa panawagan ng Pangulo at isulubit natin agad yung kanyang unqualified courtesy resignation as required in the memo of the Executive Secretary. So far, wala po kami napapalitaan. Nag-aantay lang kami ng magiging aksyon ng palasyo.
Any questions po, ma'am, sir?
Okay tayo? Okay na? Again, thank you very much. Sana mag-join kayo ng takbo para sa West Philippine Sea. Biyak na mag-register ka. Patrick.
2 kilometers lang.
Auto, pwede.
That concludes our today's press conference with the latest updates on the West Philippine Sea. Is the official launch of takbo para sa West Philippine Sea 2025. Maraming salamat po.
Pause. 1, 2, 3. Another shot. 1, 2, 3.